Hello, this is Maestro X. I'm going to go over the level 1 academic word of the day, dynamic, for week 6, quarter 3. Dynamic has 3 syllables and the emphasis is on the second syllable. So you have dynamic and we say dynamic. We have several definitions, and at the end of this video I'm going to bring you back to this this image of the flashcard so you can add all the information in yellow, okay? Because we have some additional information to give you that's not on your card currently. So let me go over it first though. The first definition is a force that produces change, action, or effects. And this is only used formally and infrequently, so actually I'm not going to spend much time on it. Let me go over the other two, and I would encourage you to use the other two definitions, one of the other two definitions when you write your original sentence. So we have an adjective, which means energetic or very active. Okay, something that changes a lot. And if you're a very dynamic person, then people think, wow, look at this person. Look at you. You are so active. You know, you do so many different things. We also use this, the way it's used as an adjective, we can use it to describe a character who changes a lot over the course of a novel. So your sentence of the day is, in novels, the protagonist, the main character, is usually a dynamic character who undergoes one or more major changes. Okay? So here, dynamic is meaning just changing. Majorly changing. Okay, and for those of you who know the Star Wars series, we had a boy named Anakin Skywalker, and he grew up as an innocent boy and grew up to be a Jedi Knight fighting on the force of good, but later he got seduced by what's called the dark side, the evil, and he joined the dark side and became Darth Vader, fighting against the forces of good. So he changed dramatically in his life, so we can call him a dynamic character. Okay. The other definition we can use is the third one here, as a noun, which is the way in which people think. It should be think. Change that to think. Behave and react to each other in a particular situation. And again, for this definition, we have a usage note that we use the plural form, dynamics. Dynamics. All right? And let me give an example for that. The way in which people think, behave, or react to each other in a particular situation. So, in our class, we have a particular situation, which is English 2. All right, we meet every day for almost 2 hours, and students think and behave and react to each other. So we can talk about the classroom dynamics. Okay, the classroom dynamics in English 2, the way that the students think and behave and react to each other in the class. So we can say classroom dynamics in English 2 are favorable for a collaborative learning environment. The English 2 students help each other out, willing to work with each other on projects and to perform a scene on the stage as part of their quarter 3 oral presentation. So here, dynamics is being used as a noun, not as an adjective. Dynamics are favorable, talking about the way in which the people in the class work together. All right. So you can use it either as this type of noun, plural noun, again the S, or you can use it as an adjective to describe someone who is very active or very energetic. Okay. If you do something very dramatically, the adverb, familial word, then you're doing it with a lot of energy. Okay. So if you're giving an oral presentation and you get up in front of everybody and you stand stiff as a board without moving at all, and your voice is like this, Hello everyone, my name is Mr. X and I want to tell you about... Then you're not very dynamic. You're not giving a speech dynamically. You want to give your oral presentations dynamically. Good evening everyone. Let me tell you about this wonderful idea I had when I came to school today. And you're using some facial expressions and body gestures to emphasize your points. Okay. So we have, and again, we're gonna have to change. Let's see. No, these are good. You have your adjective synonyms: active, energetic. Energetic, it's a good term to know, with a lot of energy. And your antonym for definition 2, the antonym for the adjective form is inactive. Okay. So that is your description of the level 1 word dynamic. I'm going to leave this screen rolling for a little bit so that you can copy the information in yellow onto your card. And then afterwards, if you got this one wrong on your reassessment, you should, on a new card, create another original sentence about you with an illustration and turn it in with your reassessment part 1. Okay? Be sure to like this video, and again, I'm going to leave this rolling for another minute so that you can copy the information in yellow onto your card. Okay, one more minute. I think that's your cue that you should be done. So do like this video after watching it so I know I can give you credit. And happy studying!